everyone. Today we will study the hints for learning the modern periodic table. As I have already told you, the work of Daubernier, Newland and Mendeleev. Mendeleev was the first one who made the groups and periods. As we discussed in our last lectures, vertical columns are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. Further, after that, it was Mendeleev's periodic table was published in 1872 in German journal, in German newspaper. So after that, few more elements were discovered, such as noble gases, such as scandium, gallium, germanium. They were put in they were placed in the, in his table as well. But nowadays, then electron, proton, neutron were discovered. Bohr discovered the Bohr's model of an atom, which you have already studied in class 9. In Bohr's model of an atom, you know that electrons are revolving in outermost shell and protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Nucleus was discovered by Rutherford. Okay, now it is the time 1935. All electron, proton, neutrons have discovered, and it was very difficult because total of 117 elements were known at that time, and it was very difficult to arrange them on the basis of increasing atomic masses. So a new term was discovered, atomic number. And in the modern periodic table, which was the combined work of Moseley and Bohr, it was kept in mind that whatever anomalies were there in Mendeleev periodic tables, such as the positioning of isotopes or the correct order of hydrogen, hydrogen, only one anomaly is there in modern periodic table, that is hydrogen is a non-metal, still it is placed in group number 1 with metals. That anomaly is still there. And one more anomaly of Mr. Mendeleev was their wrong order of atomic masses. So all these anomalies were overshadowed in the modern periodic table, which was the combined work of Moseley and Bohr. They have kept that thing in mind, that modern periodic table was based on increasing atomic numbers. Atomic number is equal to number of protons, right? Atomic number is equal to number of protons, and number of protons are equal to number of electrons. But again, I am telling you, the modern periodic table was designed on the increasing atomic numbers, right? Now, in the modern periodic table, you can see this modern periodic table in your NCERT, in periodic classification of element. It is given on page number 86. Or you can see modern periodic table, it is given everywhere on internet. If you will type modern periodic table, you will see. In class 10 syllabus, vertical columns are called groups, horizontal rows are called periods. Total of 18 groups and 7 periods are there in this modern periodic table. 18 groups and 7 periods are there in this modern periodic table. But mainly we have to learn group number 1, group number 2 elements name, and group number 13 to group number 18 elements name, right? In periods, according to class 10 syllabus, horizontal rows are called periods. In periods, we have to learn period number 1, 2 and 3. And I have already, in one of my video already, I have updated this. I have told you can see that video if you want to learn the periodic table from 1 to 20. And row wise, I have given you the hint as well. HHE, Libib, Canofni, Nama, Galsi, Pascaller, Kakask. On the basis of that, in period number 1, only 2 elements are there, H and HE. In period number 2, horizontal rows are called periods. In period number 2, 8 elements are there. It is a short period. The first one is very short period, you can see. In Lakmir it is written which one is very short, which one is short, which one is long, right? If it contains 18 elements, then it is long period. If it contains 32 elements, then it is very long period, right? Similarly, period number 2, Libib, Canofni, total of 8 elements are present row wise. So it is long period. And similarly, in third period, Nama Galsi Pascalar, 8 elements are there, right? So just I would like to tell you one thing from Lakhmir Singh. You can see Lakhmir Singh page number is 278. If it is second period and third period, sorry, both are short periods. And whereas fourth period contains 18 element, so it is long period. Fifth period contains 18 element too, so it is long period. Sixth element is very long period, and seventh period and sixth period both are very long because they contain 32, and the seventh one contains 32. It is also a very long period, right? But mainly in class 10th we have to study only period number 1, 2 and 3, right? Period number 1 is very short, whereas period number 2 and 3 are short periods, right? Okay, after that, now we have to learn the names group wise, such as group number 1. As I told you, total of 18 groups are there, but we have to learn group number 1, 2 and further 13 to 18. Group number 1, also known as alkali metals, because all are alkali metals. All metals are basic. Alkali, you know, water soluble bases are called alkalis. All are soluble in water, right? All are alkalis, all are soluble in water apart from hydrogen. It is a non-metal, but still it is placed. This is the only anomaly, this is the only limitation of modern periodic table. So the members are, I have prepared a hint so that you can easily memorize it. Hint is Hari, Lychee, Na, Kha, Rab, Osega. Even class 11 student can also see this and note it down, so they can memorize this periodic table, right? You can also note it down. Osega Fir, right? This is the hint. You can also note down this side by side, don't waste time. Hari, Lychee, Na. Na is for sodium, Kha is for potassium, Rab is for rubidium, Osega is for silicium, Fir is for francium. You won't find this hint easily, because I prepared some of these hints ourselves with the help of some of my previous students. Now, only hint should not be learned. ये ना हो कि सिर्फ hint ही याद रह जाए, elements नाम याद ना हो, ठीक है ना? Elements के नाम याद ना हो, elements के name learn करना भी साथ ही equally important है. तो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, मैं कुछ ऐसे लर्न करता हूँ, लर्न करवाता भी हूँ कि हरी लीची ना खा, हरी फॉर हाइड्रोजन, लीची फॉर लिथियम, ना फॉर सोडियम, खा फॉर पोटेशियम, रब फॉर रुबिडियम, ओसेगा फॉर सीशियम, FR for Fir for francium, right? You can see all these names are given in the periodic table, which is given in NCERT or in Lakhmir Singh. Okay, this is group number 1. Now coming to group number 2. Group number 2 elements are called alkaline or metal group. Hint for that is, any guesses? Okay, I'll tell you. Hint start from, because this first element is in period number, you know, first period contain only H and He. So lithium is, and Libeb-Kanofny, lithium is comparative with this beryllium. So hint for that is beer महंगी कर सरकार बड़ा रोई. Beer महंगी कर सरकार, but government is getting a lot of tax from beer and alcoholic drinks. They are nothing in crime, right? Already we have discussed all this in class 10 carbon compounds. So beer for beryllium, महंगी for magnesium, कर for calcium. So write कर as CaRR, right? Don't fall into that argument why you haven't written ARR or something. Sarkar for strontium, Bada for barium, and Roi is for radium, right? Roi is for radium. Please keep that thing in mind. Again, I am telling you, सिर्फ hints याद नहीं रहने चाहिए. Names के element के learn करना equally important है, right? Now, what is the alkaline? Why alkaline earth metal? Because all our metals here, their valence electron are 2, valency is also 2. All are metals here, and they are obtained from earth, right? That's why they are called alkaline earth metals group. Okay, coming to now, you need not to memorize in class 10th, you need not to memorize group number 3, 2 till 12, but in class 11th, 12th you have to memorize these as well. Now coming to group number 13, वैसे तो जो पहला मेंबर होता है ना उसी के नाम पे फैमिली होती है। जैसे ग्रुप नंबर 13 का पहला मेंबर है बोरॉन, तो इसे आप बोरॉन फैमिली भी कह सकते हैं, राइट? इसका निकनेम है बोरॉन फैमिली। ओके क्लास, और इसका हिंट है बॉयज गर्ल्स। अब मैं यहाँ इसके साथ क्यों नहीं लिख रहा, क्योंकि इधर रो वाइज भी मैं आपको लर्न करा रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना? इसका हिंट है बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स इन थिएटर। बॉयज फॉर बोरॉन, एल्यूमिनियम, ये सारे वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 3 वाले हैं, ध्यान रखिएगा। बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स इज गैलियम, राइट? गर्ल्स इज गैलियम, आयन इज इंडियम, it's not Indian, it's indium, and theater is thallium. And one more name is also given class, that is NH, but the name is NH, that is nibonium, but that you need not to memorize, you learn only till this point, right? One more is NH, right? So because we haven't prepared the hint for that, you can learn this much only in that, and the name of the family is boron family. Now coming to group number 14. Group number 14, first member, this is quite interesting. Group number 14, the first member is carbon. Hint for that is chemistry student get sun की problem. Chemistry पढ़ के हो ही जाएगी ये problem. So the hint is chemistry students get sun की प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है? प्लीज मेमोराइज, हिंट मेमोराइज हो जाएंगे तो नेम्स इजीली लर्न हो जाएंगे, अगर हिंट याद नहीं होंगे तो नेम से याद करना बहुत मुश्किल है। ओके, केमिस्ट्री फॉर कार्बन नंबर 6, कार्बन 2,4, सबकी 4 होंगे वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन सब में। स्टूडेंट सल्फर 286, ठीक है? केमिस्ट्री स्टूडेंट गेट सन की प्रॉब्लम, गेट इज फॉर जर्मेनियम, देन SN इज फॉर टिन, सन की SN टिन का सिंबल होता है। प्रॉब्लम एनी गेसेस, प्रॉब्लम लेड, ठीक है? PB इज फॉर लेड। यहाँ पर एक और भी आ रहा है FL, पर वो आपको लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट आप नोट कर लेना इसकी पिक्चर। After that we are coming to group number 15. This family of 14, that is called carbon family, right? And this family of group number 15, first member is nitrogen, this is called nitrogen family. Any guesses for the hint class? न्यूज़पेपर आज सब बिकेंगे, that is the hint. The hint for that is न्यूज़पेपर आज सब बिकेंगे। Hint is न्यूज़पेपर आज सब बिकेंगे। न्यूज़ for नाइट्रोजन, न्यूज़ पेपर आज सब बिकेंगे, BIKENGE, न्यूज़पेपर आज सब बिकेंगे। न्यूज़ फॉर नाइट्रोजन, पेपर इज फॉर फॉस्फोरस। एनी गेसेस फॉर आज? आर्सेनिक, AS is arsenic, AS is arsenic, then SB is antimony. आर्सेनिक एक तरह का पॉइजन होता है, SB is antimony, right? And Biking is for bismuth, right? And one more is there after that. Actually these were new included, element number 112, 113, 114, right? These are given in new NCERT only, and these hints I prepared somewhere in 2010, I remember, At that time, they were not given in the new NCERT. Maybe they are discovered later. So that's why hint for MC, LV, all that are not there, right? But the question in class 10 will come on the basis of that as I am writing. Please see this carefully. Zoom. Okay, that was, now only 3 groups are left, group number 16, 17 and 18. Please see carefully. We don't need only 3 places. Group number 16, 17 and 18. Group number 16 is quite interesting because the first member is oxygen, right? Because the first member is oxygen. Hint for that is, you will love this hint. Osse Tepo, copy from him. But please write in this manner. Osse Tepo. Tepo, you know? Osse Tepo. Copy from him or her. I think you are getting this hint. Right? It's very simple. Osse Tepo. O for oxygen, S for sulfur. Name is already given. C for selenium. Ta for tellurium. And Po for polonium. Polonium is radioactive, right? Osse Tepo. And one more they have given is here LV. इनके नेम्स है ना बेटा, पहले you know नहीं थे. Osse Tepo याद रखना आप में, ठीक है? And the nickname of this is oxygen family because the first member is oxygen. But one more name is there, that is chalcogons. Chalcogons, right? Chalcogens. Chalcogons, right? After that we have group number 17. Group number 17, whose first member is fluorine, right? The hint for that I have prepared is Ferrari can beat Indica astonishingly. Ferrari, you know, Italian famous car. Ferrari can beat Indica. Indica is Indian brand. Ferrari और Indica की रेस होगी. Indica दूर दूर तक पकड़ नहीं पाएगी. टाटा क्या ब्रांड है Indica? अब तो शायद आता भी नहीं है. Indica, Ferrari can beat Indica astonishingly. Astonishingly मतलब हैरान कर देने वाला. That word astonish actually Tony Greig in his commentary used that much word for Sachin Tendulkar a lot. Sachin has placed an astonished drag. So all these hints I haven't prepared. Some of my students have helped me in preparing these hints, right? So Ferrari is fluorine, can से chlorine, beat से bromine, indica से iodine, astonishingly से astatine, ठीक है? Astatine, astatine का जो AT है, right? And one more is there after that, TS, but you need not to learn the hint for that. वैसे TS is tennessine. अब यहाँ इंडिया में अगर कोई हुआ होता तो यहाँ भी उसके नाम पे होता, और ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडियंस को नॉलेज नहीं थी, but this modern science came after 16th century, right? Okay, the last but not the least, noble gas group. सारे elements, metal, non-metal इसी group में आना चाहते हैं. That's why metal lose electron, they become positively charged ion, they form cation. Non-metal on the other hand gain electron, they gain electrons from the one which metal have lost. So noble gas group or inert gas group. Okay. Hint for that is He-Man, a very famous cartoon character at my time. He-Man, when I was a kid, that time He-Man series cartoon used to come. He-Man name Aryan, last year a student named Aryan को Zing, Centro Zing, you know, Centro Zing. चाइना में एक जगह भी है, जिनोन ऐसे कुछ नहीं है उसका, वरना ये आती थी जिंक पे, जिंक और पे इकट्ठा लिखना है, राइट कराई। ओके, हीमेन, हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, जेनॉन, ये भी एक गैस है, रेडॉन, राइट कराई। ठीक है, तो याद रखना नोबल गैस ग्रुप को। ठीक है, apart from that I want to add some of the points in it. There is one very important question that I'll discuss later on, but first you can take the pic of this, and number one, number two, I want to discuss one point. Want to discuss one point. See that lanthanide series, see that atomic number 58 to atomic number 58 271 are missing, they are given at the bottom, and similarly 89 to 103 are missing, they are given at the bottom. The only reason for that is if they'll come in between, the whole periodic table won't be symmetrical, it won't come on one page. That's why they have kept it here. And the series is called lanthanide series, which is given at the bottom, and the below bottom to that, the one starting from 89 is called actinide series. Why the name? Why they are named so? Any guesses? See the first member, 57th one. Please see in your modern periodic table. The first member is lanthanum. They are starting from lanthanum. That's why the series is called lanthanide series, and they are starting 89 number is actinium. That's why the series is actinide series, right? This is all about modern periodic table, but in next one we will discuss some very important trick on the basis of which, without looking at the periodic table, but that trick is valid only from atomic number 1 to 20. It is not valid for other element, because in class 11 you study SPDF configuration, and on the basis of that you know how to put elements in particular places, right, in modern periodic table. So that we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.